Be welcome to Car Chronicles, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a speed lover, or just someone who appreciates great engineering, this channel is for you. The 2025 Porsche 911 continues the legacy of one of the most iconic sports cars ever made, blending classic design with cutting-edge technology. This latest iteration features refined aerodynamics, updated LED lighting, and subtle design tweaks that enhance its aggressive yet elegant look. Under the hood, the 2025 911 offers a range of powerful engines, including a twin-turbocharged flat-six with improved efficiency and performance. Depending on the trim, horsepower ranges from the high 300s in base models to over 640 HP in the Turbo S variant, delivering breathtaking acceleration and precise handling. Porsche's advanced all-wheel drive system and rear-wheel steering ensure superior grip and agility, making it a true driver-esque car. Inside, the cabin boasts a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness, featuring high-quality materials, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an upgraded infotainment system with seamless connectivity. The latest driver assistance technologies enhance safety without compromising the pure driving experience Porsche enthusiasts love. With a balance of tradition and innovation, the 2025 Porsche 911 remains a benchmark in the sports car world, offering unmatched driving dynamics, sophisticated styling, and state-of-the-art technology. The 2025 Porsche 911 lineup offers a range of models, each with distinct specifications to cater to various driving preferences. Below is an overview of key models and their notable features. 911 Carrera. Engine, 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six. Power, 394 horsepower. Torque, 450 Nm. Transmission, 8-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic. Drivetrain, rear-wheel drive. 0 to 100 km h. 0 to 62 miles per hour, 3.9 seconds. Top speed, 295 km h. Note, the Carrera Cabriolet variant accelerates from 0 to 100 km h in 4.1 seconds and has a top speed of 292 km h. 911 Carrera GT ST Hybrid. Engine, 3.6-liter turbocharged flat-six with electric assistance. Power, 532 horsepower. Torque, 449 lb-ft. Transmission, 8-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic. Drivetrain, all-wheel drive. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.9 seconds. Top speed, 194 miles per hour. Note, the T-Hybrid system integrates an electric motor generator, enhancing performance and efficiency. 911 Turbo. Engine, 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six. Power, 572 horsepower. Torque, 553 lb-ft. Transmission, 8-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic. Drivetrain, all-wheel drive. Note, the